It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Tsh, da, 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 da. Di, da, di, di, da, di, di, da, 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 da. Di, da, di, li, da, di, li, di, da. Di, da, di, li, di, da, di, li, 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 da, di, da, di, di, da, di, di, da.
Hello everyone, I'm Tubby SpongeBob SquarePants. Today we will be talking about the solids, liquids, and gases. To start off, solids can either be crystalline or amorphous. Crystalline solids have a structure in thread order, while amorphous solids have considerable disorder within their structures. Regardless of the type of solid, all solids retain their own shape and volume. They don't expand to fill their container. This is because the particles in a solid are packed very closely together and cannot move. The intermolecular forces are strong enough to keep the particles in place. They are virtually incompressible, don't flow, and the diffusion process within a solid occurs extremely slowly. Liquids assume the shape of a portion of the container in a cookies. Liquids do not expand to fill their container. They just fill the space that is provided by the container. Since liquid particles are tightly packed together, they have the ability to fall past one another fluidity. The intermolecular forces are strong enough to hold the molecules closely together, but not strong enough to hold them in place. Liquids are virtually incompressible, flow readily, and diffusion within a liquid occurs slowly. Surface tension is when molecules on a surface of a liquid experience a net inward force. The stronger the imps, the higher the surface tension. The particles always form a spherical shape. This occurs because of the high surface tension of water as a result of strong hydrogen bonding. Here is a particle representation of surface tension. Capillary action is the spontaneous rising of a liquid. It often happens with polar liquids that have strong imps. You could see this when you put a paper towel in contact with a puddle. The water will slowly rise up the towel due to capillary action. There are two different types of forces involved. Outside forces, which are forces between two molecules, and adhesive forces, which are forces between molecules in the container. Gases assume the volume and shape of their container. Gas particles move rapidly in straight lines. More about the behavior of gases is covered in the rest of this unit. The molecules have enough energy to overcome any intermolecular forces that exist, therefore allowing them to move freely. They are compressible, flow readily, and expand to fill the container. Diffusion within a gas occurs rapidly. And last, but certainly not least, density measures how compact a substance is. For example, solids are usually the most dense out of the three gases, and gases are usually the least dense since they flow freely in open space. So what did you think, guys?
Oh, are you saying something, SpongeBob?
12 seconds later.
No, please, have mercy!
You're still here. It's over.